Here is 8 unusual uses for Vaseline. Did you know that Vaseline has a multitude of unusual uses that can make your life easier, more efficient, and even more creative?
Number 1.
Create a temporary tattoo. Draw a design onto your skin with Vaseline after it dries. Sprinkle it with glitter for a temporary tattoo.
Number 2.
We all know the horror of gum in your child's hair.
First things first, take a deep breath.
Vaseline can help loosen and remove stubborn gum from hair. Rub a small amount into the affected area, then gently work the gum out. Remember, next time gum strikes, Vaseline is your new best friend.
Number 3.
Quieting squeaky doors. Apply Vaseline to the hinges to silence those annoying squeaks. Vaseline can help silence them. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to the hinges and wipe off any excess. This will help reduce the friction and quiet the door.
Number 4.
Lubricating zippers. Stuck zipper, no problem. Make it glide like new. All you need is a bit of Vaseline. First, grab a cotton swab and dip it in Vaseline. Gently apply it to the teeth of the zipper. Next, slowly move the zipper up and down. You will notice it will glide easier.
Number 5.
Do you have stickers that won't budge? Apply some Vaseline to the sticker and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, use the cloth to rub the sticker off. It should come right off. There you go, brand new.
Number 6.
Using Vaseline to shine your boots. Apply a small amount of Vaseline and rub it in circles on your leather. Buff it, and thereafter, leave it to dry. Remember, test on an inconspicuous area first, and avoid using too much Vaseline.
Number 7.
Polishing metal with Vaseline. Apply Vaseline to a cloth and rub it onto metal surfaces to remove tarnish and leave them shining.
Number 8.
Using Vaseline to remove a stuck ring. Vaseline can be a helpful lubricant to loosen a stuck ring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.